Okay, so this is my first freaking video. I have no idea what I'm doing, so bear with me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to show you my setup right now. It's crazy. So I'm using my microphone. I don't even know if my SD card's in there, so I had to buy a new one. So I'm using the one that comes with the camera, so it's not gonna be good. I don't know. I'm using a microphone. I'm using this as my audio. It's voice memos with this microphone because this isn't type C and the camera takes type C. So I have to use my phone to use the audio. And then I also have my flashes on, but I also have me using the photo booth app. I'm also a little bit sick, I'm not gonna lie. So sorry if I'm coughing into your mind right now. But basically, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, a makeup routine. I honestly don't really have one, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, I literally don't have one. I mean, I do, but it's like really horrible and sucky. But it's okay, because I have no idea where to start. So the first step to this routine, by the way, I'm looking into my computer while I'm looking over here, but the first step to my routine is this. I don't know how to say it, but it's this. No. If I can see that, please tell me y'all can see that. It says, it's the Land. Okay, I'm gonna spell it Laneige lip sleeping mask. I'm just gonna put this on. Yes, it's a sleeping mask, and I still use those normal chapstick because it's really good. So before we start, I'm gonna just moisturize my lips. A little bit out of breath. It's embarrassing. Okay. And then, so for the skincare, I like to keep it natural. I like to use the Advanced Snow 96 Mucin Power Essence as a starter. But I think that what really takes the icing on, the next thing I use is the Advanced Snow 92 all-in-one cream. So freaking good. That's literally the only skincare I use for my makeup. It's like a starter base. I don't know. I should use more, but yeah. So now the next thing I use is this. I literally love this. It's the Star Glow, the Glowy Super Gel. See? I don't know how to say it, but so freaking good. Always there for me. And it goes a lot. It has a lot in it because I've had this since Black Friday last year. That's when I bought it. It was like it's on sale, but it's so like good, and it makes your skin way like you don't need any like crazy coverage because it literally looks like it has something on there. One tip I would use is do not put on your forehead. Do not, because it makes your forehead like whitish, like shiny, and it's ugly. And I've messed up many times, and I've used it on my forehead, and it's an ugly. I'm not gonna lie. So now we got that. I don't know if the camera's like good enough to see the base, but this is the base. And then usually I don't use bear with me, my makeup bag is so dirty, but usually I don't really use this, but this is the Dewy and Smooth Fit Me Maybelline New York. It's the foundation. So usually I don't use that, but I was like, I'm just use it today. I need to start using it because it's actually really good. It's a pretty good product. I can't remember where you can get it. I think you can just get it at a drugstore. It's not that much. We're gonna use a beauty blender. And I didn't use that. Okay, that's kind of a lot, but. And I put it on my under eye. when I do use it. And I have eczema, so I need to actually put it up there too. So like on my forehead right here, it's a little dark spot. I don't know if you can see it, but put that on there. Just pat it really hard. Okay, I'm charging how to charge my camera, but back, sorry. This is everywhere. I'm so freaking like embarrassed right now. I don't know what I'm doing. Please bear with me. Okay, so alright, so the next eyebrow product, which is pretty good, it's the tinted brow gel from, it's Anastasia, it's this one. And it's really good. I like it. You can see it's a little insane. It's a little bit insane, but I use it to like darken my eyebrows and I like rub it in. I literally just, all I do is add a little more color to it. I don't like what other people do because I don't know how to do that. So now that I kind of did my eyebrows, this contour stick, I'm not gonna lie, I got it from Shein. It's the She Glam. They call it a define stick. So yeah, I don't do too much. I literally just go like this, my cheekbones like up, and rub it in. Other side, rub it in. Just a little more color, my skin color, and then best thing ever, I think, in my makeup bag. I've used this for so long. It's always been there for me. It's the Rare Beauty blush. I'm so sorry, I don't know shade. Let me check. Oh, it's the Hope in the color Hope. So freaking good. Like, I think this is good color for like definitely the brown skin girls out there. So I just dot it on my skin like this. Like right over the contour, and then not the contour, yeah, the contour, right? I don't know. And then my nose. Love, I put a lot on my nose. Always adds like a lot of color, just pink. My hair is so wild, but it always adds like so much pink to it. I love this blush. I don't even use another blush. I think this is like good enough. So now that I've did my blush, I go with my mascara. A lot of people use curlers, like the eyelash curlers. I don't like those. They usually pull my eyelashes out. I don't know how it doesn't do that to other people, but for me, I don't know if I'm doing, like, I go too hard. That's probably it. But it always like pulls my eyelashes out, and I freaking just, oh, it's annoying. But I use two mascaras. The first one I use, because I literally have no eyelashes, so it's like I need to use two. It's the Lash Princess. You can see that. It's Essence. You could get this at Walmart for like $4 or $5. I think that's how much I got it for. It's really good. And yeah. So I use this like pull out my lashes. I go in with the this one is really good. I got it from a hair store and it's not bad and it's so cheap. It's Ruby Kisses Multifunction Mascara. Black is black. I got it long ago, so I can't remember. But it's like an eyeliner. It's literally an eyeliner, a liquid one. I just use it to do like small moles across my face. Don't know if you can see it. It's really small, but I don't want to do it too big. So here and there I'll use this e.l.f. like highlighter, and that's what it looks like. I just put on my nose, if I do. And then my eyes, like on the crease of my eyes. I don't use too much though, but yeah. The Dewy Probiotic Setting Spray. It's dry for dry sensitive skin and it's glowy effect. I cannot remember where I got it from. I'm so sorry. I'm horrible at this. I'm pretty sure I got it at, dang, I really don't remember. It's literally either Walmart or a drugstore. I don't know. But this spray is like a lot, so you gotta like back it up. I'm not lying, I just got it in my mouth. Okay. Okay. And then still got a big forehead. Okay, love that. But now I've just started using lip liner and this like new lip routine I'm using. So this is new to me as well. But now I use this red one. And I got it. It's LA Colors Gel Lip Liner. I got it from Walmart. And it's CP680. Messed up, but okay. So I go into some lip liner, and then I use this lipstick. It's the Milani one. It's in shade. It's Matte Confident 67. So pretty good. It's actually a really good lipstick. But then I go in with this. Very red. Very red. Oh. And then, of course, I use lip gloss. I'm using this NK lip gel from the hair store. Like I said, just started using lipstick and lip liner. So of course it's not like perfect for some reason. Actually, it's kind of cute. I do it like this. Okay. So like I said, I'm not going to be perfect, but that is literally my makeup routine. If you're also starting to get into lip lining, just try different combos, like, because this is not my first lip liner. I've used lip liner before, of course, but it was not good, so now I'm trying red lip liner, and I really like it. Also because it's like December, it's a jolly color, red, so yeah. But yeah, that's my makeup routine. So this is my makeup routine for right now. I know it's gonna change next year, but this is the one I have right now. But I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. This is not how all my videos is gonna be, of course. I'm just like starting to get used to how to record. And if there's any like also YouTubers and they like know what they're doing, can you guys please comment like if I'm doing it okay, because I'm recording my audio on this microphone and it's on my phone voice memos, and I don't know. I'm trying to do more. I'm gonna definitely do more videos. That is literally my goal for this year. Now that I have a camera, this is gonna motivate me. And I always loved like vlogging. If you look at my TikTok, I've vlogged for a lot of times before. I like vlogging my life. I just never got the proper motivation. So, but now that I have a camera that I got for Christmas, thank you, Mom and Dad. I feel like I can do anything, and I have so much dreams for my life. I have a lot of stuff I want to do next year. I have stuff I want to where I want to travel to. What I want to like study. I like what college I want to go to, because the one right now I'm in, I don't plan to stay yet. So I can also do like a little series on that, just like changing everything, how everything's gonna be different, just switching over. But I can record my summer. I'm gonna just do a lot of vlogs basically. So a lot of my videos are not gonna be like this. like boring, I guess. I don't know. But if you're interested in me, I don't know, my personality or whatever, and just want to stick around, let's subscribe. But my quality, I feel like it didn't really focus that well in the video, so yeah. But I like just went through the settings on the camera, fixed it, so my newer videos that are gonna come out is gonna be way better quality, like way better quality than this. So embarrassing.